Oh, hey there. This is Owoshi. As many of you know, I use GoAnimate to make my EAS scenarios. And I'm aware that some of you have complained about it. And to be honest, I completely understand it. So today, I'm going to explain why I use GoAnimate to make my EAS scenarios. As most of you may or may not know, the computer that I use to make all of my videos is a Mac. And, unfortunately, most of the applications used to make EAS scenarios are Windows-based. It is not possible for me to use those applications without installing something to run Windows applications on a Mac. If you guys know of anything like that, which is safe, please let me know in the comments. But, for now, I will continue to make EAS scenarios with GoAnimate. And, well, that's all I really have to say. I will see you guys in the next video. This is Owoshi, signing off. See you later.